Public key and private key. These are fundamental concepts in asymmetric encryption that form the backbone of modern secure communication on the Internet. Asymmetric encryption is a cryptographic system that uses two different keys for encryption and decryption. Unlike symmetric encryption, where the same key is used for both operations, asymmetric encryption uses a pair of mathematically related but distinct keys. The system relies on two keys: the public key, which is shared with everyone and can be freely distributed, and the private key, which must be kept secret by its owner and never shared with anyone. The public key serves important functions. It is used to encrypt messages or verify digital signatures. Anyone can access and use your public key. However, it cannot decrypt messages that were encrypted with it. Only the corresponding private key can do that. The private key is the secret counterpart. It is used to decrypt messages that were encrypted with the public key or to create digital signatures. This key must be kept secure and never shared with anyone. It is the only key that can decrypt data encrypted with its corresponding public key. Here's how the encryption process works. When someone wants to send you a secure message, they encrypt it using your public key. Once encrypted, only you can decrypt it using your private key. This ensures that even if the message is intercepted, no one else can read it. Asymmetric encryption is used everywhere in modern computing. SSL and TLS protocols secure web browsing with the HTTPS protocol. Email encryption tools like PGP protect email communication. Digital signatures verify the authenticity of documents and software, and SSH provides secure remote access to servers and systems. The key takeaway is this: asymmetric encryption uses mathematically related key pairs where data encrypted with one key can only be decrypted with the other. This elegant system enables secure communication between parties who have never met without needing to share secret keys in advance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.